Listen to me. The only person that cares about your hopes and dreams is you. The only person that is going to make them happen is you. Be a good person, but don't waste your time proving it. If you want to be trusted, be honest. Forget what hurts you, but never forget what it taught you. Even the nicest people have their limits. As long as you are alive, no obstacle is permanent. Don't make a permanent decision based on temporary emotions. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. You'll learn nothing from life if you think you're right all the time. Stay patient. The best things happen unexpectedly. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness. Bad days give experience. Worst days give lessons. And best days give